Welcome, my beautiful students. How are you today, girls? How are you? Today, inshallah, we will discuss together Unit 4, Lesson 2 in our book, We Can. But first of all, I will tell you what is the day and the date. Today is what, my superstars? Today is Monday, and the spelling is Monday, and the date is 26/3/1443 after Hijrah. Okay? As I told you, my superstars, today we will take Unit 4, Lesson 2, and the title of our unit is about Chores, page 27 and 28. Okay? First of all, we will take a revision. After that, I will start my own lesson for today. If I ask you, my superstars, what chores do you do at home? I set the table, I clean up my room, I wash the dishes, and I take out the trash. Number 2. What is the past of the verb eat? Eat, ate, eaten. What is the past of speak? Speak, spoke, spoken. What is the past of go? Go, went, gone. What is the past of be, was, were, been? What is the past of swim? Swim, swam, swum. What is the past of write? Write, wrote, written. Okay? As I told you, my superstars, today we will take a new lesson, and I will start my own lesson today with the present simple. What do I mean by the present simple in Arabic? I mean with the present simple in Arabic, المضارع البسيط. Okay? What do I mean by the present simple? The present simple is a verb tense with two main uses. With what? With two main uses. We use the simple present tense. So, when can I use the simple present tense? When an action is happening right now. عندما يكون الحدث حاصل الآن, or when it happens regularly. What do I mean by when it happens regularly? يحدث باستمرار. Okay? How to form the present simple? I explained the present simple for you before, girls. So today I need you to focus with me to just have a refresh in your mind, okay? So first of all, we have first person singular. I need you to focus in this sentence, girls, okay? Ignore this. So I write. I write. Third person singular. She writes. She writes. He writes. It rains. So I should add s to the verb if you use the following pronouns. If you use she, he, and it, you have to add s to the verb. إذا استخدمنا هذه personal pronouns, you have to add s to the verbs, okay? So she, he, and it. The verb should be with s. What about I? Should I add s to the verb? No, I should not add s to the verb if you use I. What about if you use she, he, and it in the present simple tense? You have to add s to the verb, okay? He writes his homework, and I write my homework now. Can I say I write my homework? No, I have to say I write my homework now. He writes his homework. He writes, okay? What about girls? We write. I should not add s to the verb with the first person plural. We write. Third person plural, they write. They write without adding s. Second person plural, you write without adding s. So, to be clear, you have to add s with she, he, and it. Or if you use one name like Ahmed writes, okay? With other personal pronouns, you should not add s to the verb. They write their homework. And we write our homework now. So they write their homework and we write our homework now without adding s, okay? So use the present simple in the following sentences. Number one. Number one, girls, he play basketball now. He what? He plays. I have to add s to the verb. He plays. Why? Why should I add s, girls? Because we used what? We used he. Number two, they swim in the pool. They what? They swim without adding s. Without what? Without adding s. They swim. Number three, she read a book now. We have to add s here. She reads. She what? She reads a book now. Why? Because here we have she. Okay? She reads. I help my mother every day. We should not add s here, so we use the verb as it is. I help my mother every day. And number five, we study English every day. We have to use the verb as it is, study. Okay? Study. Okay, girls? So he plays basketball now. They swim in the pool. She reads a book now. I help my mother every day. We study English every day. Okay? Now I need you to choose the right sentence from the following sentences. Number one, she plays basketball every day. We have, or she play basketball every day, or she plays basketball every day. Of course, here not correct to add es. We have just to add s here. So she plays basketball every day. This is the right answer. Number two, choose the right answer. We learn English every day. We learn English every day, or we learn English every day. Of course, we learn English every day. This is the right answer. Okay. Number three, choose the correct sentence. Ahmed reads a book every day. Ahmed reads a book every day, or Ahmed read a book every day. Of course, this is the right answer with just one S. Ahmed reads a book every day. Okay? Now, my superstars read the following sentences. I wash the dishes. You wash the dishes. He washes the dishes. Here we have to add es. Why? Because we have sh. The last letters are sh. For this reason, I have to add es at the end. Okay? So if I ask you, why should I add es instead of adding one s? Because the last two letters are sh. For this reason, I have to add es. She washes the dishes. We wash the dishes. You wash the dishes. They wash the dishes. Okay, easy? This is how to form the present simple tense in the following sentences. Okay? Now make a sentence using the present simple tense. Here we have a boy. A boy here sits the table. So we have to say he sits the table. And here, make a sentence using the present simple tense. She washes the dishes. And here, he reads a book. He reads a book. Okay? Now, open your book, please. My superstars page number, I think 27. Let me make sure. Yeah? No, not 27. Sorry, 28 and 29. 28 and 29 girls. Okay? And listen, please. Okay, girls, exercise 2. Listen and chant chores. Okay, listen to me, girls. Listen to me. I wash the dishes. You wash the dishes. He washes the dishes. She washes the dishes. We wash the dishes. You wash the dishes. They wash the dishes. Okay? Now, girls, challenge time. Make sentences. Can you draw three different colors, lines, and make three sentences? You can do this exercise by yourself. I feed the fish. He feeds the fish. She wash the dishes. They sit the table. Okay? He sits the table. Okay, girls? You can do it by yourself. The homework in the activity book is page number, girls. Page number 97 and 98. 97 and 98, girls. Here you have to copy the sentences, and here you have to unscramble and write two forms of the verbs: take, takes, fold, folds, walk, walks, go, goes. And here you have to copy the sentences here also. I wash the dishes. You have to copy the sentences again. Write the missing letter, the missing form of the verbs. Sit, sits. Wash, washes. Vacuum, vacuums. Clean, cleans. Go, goes. Okay? This is the end of my lesson today, my lovely students. Goodbye and see you in my virtual class. Goodbye, girls. Goodbye.